chunks of that lightning tree right there. As far away as at least 100 feet. There's another big chunk right in there. Everywhere. There's a big eye right there. Another chunk. There's a tree back there. Another chunk. Way far away. That's that tree. Way back there behind that tall pine. You can see it right there.